We've got 30 minutes.
Make memories this season. Hurry in now to save 25% on select performance fleece from Nike.
The National Weather Service in Memphis has issued a tornado warning for Northwestern Lafayette County in northwestern Mississippi, Marshall County in northwestern Mississippi, southeastern Tate County in northwestern Mississippi, northeastern Panola County in northwestern Mississippi, until 4:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 3:53 p.m. Central Standard Time, a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located over Como, 8 miles northwest of John W. Kyle State Park, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Hazard, damaging tornado. Source, radar confirmed tornado. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near in Harmontown around 4:05 p.m. Central Standard Time, Laws Hill around 4:10 p.m. Central Standard Time, Marianna around 4:15 p.m. Central Standard Time, Holly Springs and Waldoxie State Park around 4:20 p.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Min, Luxahoma, Glenville, Rock Hill, Pottscamp, Blackwater, Waits, McGee, Lake Center, and Aiken. A large and extremely dangerous tornado is on the ground. Take immediate tornado precautions. This is an emergency situation. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties in Mississippi: Lafayette, Marshall, Panola, and Tate.